Councillor Salvador Pereira has questioned the leader of oppositions, claiming that a united opposition can win 27 seats in the 2027 Goa Assembly elections. Pereira asked what calculation was behind the prediction, saying the current political scenario indicates only around 13 winnable seats and demanding a clear electoral strategy.
Congress leader ilay tumge high command नीव दिले हा जाणा पण it gives me immense pleasure हांव व्हडल्यान उलयता both the parties have made headquarters in my constituency, so it is a great achievement for me. दोगांय तुम्ही दोन्ही पार्टी एकठांय इलेले आनी मुगे constituency येले म्हण हांव तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. मुगेले थोडे प्रश्न आहाय विचारपाक जाताय if you don't mind. मुगेलो पयलो प्रश्न तुम्ही आज सांगितले भाशेन सगळे गोंयकारांक अलायन्स जाय आनी म्हाका दिसता दॅट इज द नीड ऑफ एन आवर. म्हाका दिसता सर एंटनी डिसिल्वा थोकोन कासार जाला आसतो दिसायन एक्टिविस्ट मागोन बट दी इलेक्शन at the doorstep, म्हाका दिसता sorry to say Congress is not even moving their ears. This I can sense. I'm following politics before you was born, so I know a little bit of more politics. This is my first question.
What is the question?
I ask you the question.
Alliance.
All Goans want an alliance, except Congress party, the way it looks like. Are you ready for the alliance?
Well, sir, we cannot have politics or do politics with assumption and presumption. There is nothing black and white on paper. It says that Congress doesn't want an alliance. When MP election took place, we were the first. We were aware of Wenzin upon MP candidate declare केले. So we were the first party to tell Wenzin Baba, today you show us your strength. You every base constituency जो है South Goa, you show us your vote share, and then definitely we will work for you.
Today खेळून चेडवां काल रातो दीस पयले. On that you said 2027 we will win 27 seats. On what algebraic and geometric formula you got that magic number? What permutation and combination gave you that number?
If you look during the South Goa parliamentary election, South Goa parliamentary election the candidate was one of the richest candidates. But if you look at the vote share, no doubt we retained South. But आज we are roaming in all the 40 constituencies in the state of Goa. We are aware of, the Congress is aware that we have to take everyone along. And already we have started the talks. आता तुमकां दिसतलें की काँग्रेसामध्ये कितें चेंज जालें, कित्याक 27 जातले कित्याक म्हाका विश्वास आहा that first of all you could see during Ponda election the Congress party was the first to declare its candidate. पयस सुवातेर लोकांक कॅन्डिडेट गोंयकार मत मातलेच एक प्रथा आसताली 10 दीस आसतना 4 दीस आसतना टिकेट दिवपाची and whatever. We have made very clear that 3 to 4 months before the election, the candidates will be roaming house to house. They have to be given an opportunity, not at the last. Number 2, within the BJP, under the pretext of Parivartan, I don't know whether you read their Sankalp Patra. Have you read their Sankalp Patra? Sankalp Patra kitne gele? What is their Sankalp Patra?